What's up, YouTube? OG Camel coming at you on this glorious Monday live day trading, future trading recap. Only took one trade today, so this is going to be a pretty quick one. Thanks everybody who tunes in or jumps back in and takes a look at this. First off, let me mute that freaking stream. Jesus, thought I had it all up and running. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Let's not waste any time today. Push the right button. There we go. Still push the wrong button. There we go. As you can see, we are profitable today. 116 bucks. Doesn't seem like a whole lot. Only says 2 trades, but really it was only one single trade. So let's break down that trade. Kind of a late start this morning. Woke up. Let's kill that music. Kind of woke up somewhere around in here or so. Yeah, like somewhere right in here. I got to work around here or so, so I kind of missed this. I'm glad I did. I may or may not have got any profits out of today. Basically, this whole week is going to be about following my rules and being disciplined. Like I said, if we did get in this one, what is a 3-to-1 would be here. So in theory, follow my rules, I would have made a small profit, about 1-to-1 or break even or so in here. But I didn't take that trade. The one and only trade I did take this morning was right here. Was a clean breakout in my zone, and I did something a little bit different this morning. I have been trading the 4-hour zones. What I did this morning, I went back and I plotted out all the major swing highs and swing lows of on the 5-minute chart. So I kind of traded off the 5 minutes, just try something a little different this morning, because the 4-hour chart, those zones are pretty freaking big. It was like a 50-point stop loss. About put my stop loss just below the zone. So just to try this morning, stop loss just below my zone here, breakout, retest. It was a very small drawdown, but I got in pretty much right on my level. And then of course, what I did this morning, I actually took 2 micros this morning. I had 1 micro sitting here at a 1-to-1. I want to get profits on the table early. In other words, like I think it was like $21 or so in profit, so I'm green. So then psychologically wise, it allowed me to keep my take profit on the zone. I was playing a zone-to-zone play because I'm already green, and it kind of jumped up. Bet my 1-to-1, went up and hit 2-to-1. I moved my stop loss up to break even. Then I just sat back and let it eat. And of course it hit zone to zone. Now, it wasn't in my plan to trade a second play. This would have been a pretty decent play here, which is a rejection of that 5-minute support and resistance zone, major swing low, swing high over here. So you could have played another zone to zone. So we got zone to zone here, zone to zone here. Then when the market opened, of course, my red box right now, my trading plan, risk management, whatever you want to call it, is I do not trade from 9:30 till 11. So the guys over on the Discord are just killing it. I mean, I'll show you the show your profit screen here in a minute, but they're just killing us. I mean, this is, if you took the bounce off of this zone and it just played up this zone, I would have doubled, would have made another $100 or so. Could have made $100 here, $100 here, another $100 second, but $300 day right there. Market open, and it just ripped. And yeah, I mean, of course, it's all hindsight, but you can just sit back and look at it like, man, if you took some profits at this zone and just left a runner, I pulled the number on here. In other words, if you just let a runner on these big range days and you let it auto liquidate, you made 149 points worth of a profit right there, just leaving a runner alone. So there is a lot of potential in this strategy. Still trying to nail it down, like I said. So the psychology of trading is what I'm really battling at right now. But get some green on the table and then just let it eat. And eventually I'll open up where I'll trade inside here. But like I said, this is a breakout and retest. Of course, I'll probably, with my rules, I would have got stopped out here. But like I said, it is a breakout and retest. Is kind of why I don't trade the open session, because they do. It is pretty aggressive when it comes back down. It comes up. Doesn't really. Yeah, she kind of did kind of break out and nearly retest here. So you could have got an entry here, entry here, entry here, retest. Could have got another entry here. So it was a lot, and then of course all this junk. I had already shut my account down. I locked my account so I couldn't trade anymore. It's probably somewhere in here. I mean, yeah, I'm not even gonna worry about it. Take my money and run. So let's just pull over the show your profits here. I said the freaking Team Alpha is just killing it. Where you at? Oh, okay. It's like I've never done this before. There we go. Look over the chat. Yeah, like I said, Team Alpha, man, these guys are just killing it over here. Really, man, Pete, 1,800, 2 different accounts, $1,800 or so. SJV, unbelievable. One of our new coaches, new mentors, teaching using the volume, the heat map, and stuff like that. That's a freaking awesome strategy to add on to like your zone to zone. They're just freaking killing it. There's this guy's killing it. Like I mean, and we're freaking killing it over there. And that's the goal, eventually get there, but everybody starts out small, so baby steps. In other words, getting back to just trading one strategy. Like I said, I do have some EMAs here, like the EMA cross here, so it kind of gives a signal that it is going to continue up. So this was a good play here. You got the 921 EMA cross here, so you might not want to play this anyways. It's showing us kind of a bullish trend, but you could have made some profits there. So there's a lot of profit potential. Just got to pick one strategy and stick with it until you master it. Other than that, like I said, it's going to be a quick one today. I just wanted to put this out there. It does 2 different things. One, it gives me kind of gives me an ability to reevaluate my trades and look at it again. Get me used to talking, public speaking. You know, it's the number one fear. People fear public speaking more than they fear death. Go figure that one out. But I don't care. I've done some training in front of 1,500 people before. That'll scare me. Let's give me more confidence in myself and trading. Like, I know what I'm doing. I know my strategy works. It's just a matter of sticking to your rules, letting those runners run, and take all the profits you can. And then you can start scaling up once you, I said start scaling up. Because what really hurt me was taking this account up to almost $2,000 and then dropping all the way back to 700 or so. Now I'm back above 1,000. So we're in the right direction. The profits are starting to get a little bit bigger, and that's what we're looking for. We want these profits to be bigger than these rid numbers. So it's all part of the plan, all part of the growing pains. No trader's 100% and never will be. And if you find one, let me know, and I'll share the wealth. With that, as always, a pleasure. See you guys on the flip side.